Hello guys, welcome to this piano tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to play Naya Handy Hold Me, alright, in the key of C transpose, alright. So he sang the song in the key of F sharp, right? That is Yadah, alright. So I'm gonna play the song in the key of C transpose. So I'm come to my piano. I'll take C plus 6, alright. Yeah, plus 6 will give you F sharp, which will bring you to my C, alright. So I'm gonna play the song, then I give you the full piano tutorial. Guys, let's go. Naya and hold me, oh, Naya the hold me, you never let me fall. Naya and hold me, oh, Naya the hold me, you never let me fall. Naya and hold me, oh, now you the hold me, you never let me. Naya and hold me, oh, now you the hold me, you never let me fall. Naya and you hold me, you never let me fall. Alright guys, so it's a very nice and beautiful worship. I think that's all the chord progression about the song. So the chord song, like I said, we are playing C transpose. So do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Alright, so we have for C here. Alright, so C major. Right, we have that's the chord progression. G major, F major, right, then come back to G major and 1. Alright, so it's a 1 and 5 and 4 and 5. That's the chord progression of the song. Alright, so that guy, Naya and hold me, oh, F 5 major. Now you the hold me, you never let us. F major, me 5 major, go 4. Alright, so 1 1 and 1 1 can add this, right, like a passing chord, like a rundown. 1 1 and 1 1 and 7 6 5. Right, 5. Now you the hold me. Alright, can use this passing chord as well. Alright, 4 and 5 and 1. Guys, that's all about the chord progression of the song. It's a very nice and beautiful worship. Guys, do well to put likes and subscribe, and God bless you.